Hello everyone, welcome to jobskillshare.com. This is Danish, the founder of jobskillshare.com, and today I am going to be doing another introduction video to invite IT professionals, IT students, or anyone who want to start an IT career. So, where do we start? Now, we are going to start with something that's very real because we do realistic stuff here, right? Basically, you went to Google and you typed something about help desk, how to become a help desk, and my video popped up, and you're here today. You're watching me right now. Or maybe you went on YouTube, you watched some video, and on the right side you watched my video again, and again you're here. Or maybe somebody referred you, or some other way you're looking to become IT professional. Now, how did it started? How did this whole platform started? And where are we right now? Is it really real stuff here? Let me give you guys an example here. I started this video 2 years ago, probably 3 years ago, how to become help desk and support, and I give basically a pathway, some steps to how to become a IT professional. And in that video, I got a lot of comments that, you know, this is pretty good stuff and all that. So some of the viewers actually requested me to create a course. So I was like, you know, okay, let's do that, because a lot of friends are asking me how to become an IT professional, and it's becoming harder for me to kind of explain things again and again, again and again. How about I just make a course and then give them this link? So I created that on Udemy, and I had 10 students, and now I have more than 6,000 students. So that tells the demand for IT, and the course is working. If it wasn't a good course, then people would be, they won't be coming in every day with 50-40 students, and then the results that they got totally amazed me, and I'm just shocked that I got these results. Basically, I just created the course, and I was like, you know, you can use this course, and when you're new IT students, you can use this course to advance your skills, or maybe you want to get a job. And some people just came up to me and they, you know, Donnie, I got a job because of you. And the feeling that I got over there is just unbelievable. This is the feeling that made me keep going, keep creating more courses. And then I get these comments again and again and again that I got a job, I got this in interview because of your video, I passed the interview, or something like that, something positive. 99.9% the comments are positive. Some are, maybe they don't agree with me, maybe they don't agree with my teaching style, maybe they don't agree with my way of doing things, which is fine. I mean, 99 in my terms, 99% versus 1% is pretty good. And I try to even cut off that 1%, but it's really hard to do that. But we're going to keep trying. I never give up. So, you came from YouTube, you came from Google, you came from anywhere, and you want to be an IT person. And let's say, for example, you're a student. You're a student. You're going to you're going to college, or you're going to university, and you're taking IT courses. You're taking all these Microsoft courses, Microsoft 2012 configuration, admin configuration, advanced configuration, Linux administration, and all that. You're seeing everything. You know you like it. But you don't know exactly how people use this at work. What happens? What kind of calls do they get? What type of things do they work on? How do they utilize this education that you're taking right now? Maybe you're in this umbrella of confused umbrella right now. There's another person who's brand new to IT. He just wants to know exactly what we do. This person is working and helping other people at home, friends. He really likes this stuff, and then he heard about some IT friends, and they're enjoying, they got the jobs, and you know, this person wants to be like them, and because he know he has the potential, he wants to learn. Maybe this is you, and you're watching me right now. There's another person right here. He works with in a different field, maybe customer service, because he works with other people, or she works with other people, and you deal with computer problems, you deal with users, and you do technical stuff, and you're like, there's another IT person sitting somewhere else, and he's doing more technical stuff than this, which I can't solve, so I send it to him, and he solved the problems. I really like that. But I can also fix the problems. So why not I become an IT person? More money, more fun. I mean, it's up to you, but that's what I think. And there's another person, he just want to change career and want to become an IT person. So that this person and this person has something in common now, because they don't know what's going on in IT, but they have this, feeling that they can be a technical person. Whatever situation you are in, whatever scenario you can put in there right now, let's say you have no clue about IT, but you're seeing the trend is moving towards IT. There's a lot of IT jobs. IT is not just an IT person, support, help desk. There's other things in IT too. IT is a big IT, and there's software developers, there's system administrators, Cisco engineers, and there's so many people, so many titles in under IT, so many jobs, and you want to be that person. You want to get to that the person that you're looking at right now, and you see you want to be this person. The problem is a lot of people give up when they get confused and when they get frustrated about things like this stuff, this switches and routers that I see right here. Man, this look ridiculous. I can't do this. I mean, this is too much. And when you look at the black screen and all the commands, you just give up. 90% people in the beginning, as I know from my students, they give up in the beginning. Nobody gives up when they go in details, because how fun it is and things get so easy, and then you're like, oh man, this is becoming fun now. This is where I am doing this. This whole platform is created on this whole idea, is that we will show you actually, we will take you from A to Z. How do we do things? So we create one course. One example, I'm going to give you guys a help desk course, because that's the first entry level job you can get in IT. If you're going to infrastructure side of IT, like you want to become an IT support specialist, you want to become a network engineer, you want to become someone in IT that can fix things, and if you want to become that, so we tried this example with first help desk course, and we created the whole help desk course on jobskillshare.com, and that course have massive response. The outcome of that course is unbelievable, and this is why I'm doing this video, to give you guys confidence. If you are coming brand new to IT, you want to learn about IT, you want to know how to get into IT, this is where you want to be then. I'm not saying this is the only place you can get things, but I try my best to bring every real world scenario to you, and then I'll show you how do you get to this, what type of education do you need, what type of experience do you need to be able to do these kind of things. I give people an example that when I show real scenario, I'm getting paid for it. So if you see the scenario and you're like, I can do this, then if you're working somewhere lower than $10, $15, and you want to make more money, then this is where you want to be. I'm not saying other jobs are bad or they're not good enough, but IT people, if you get more experience, you get more advanced skills, you can make a lot of money. So if it's just for money, then it's also IT is good for you. But for me, myself, it's not about just money. Of course, there's a factor there, but I love this stuff. I love working on systems. I love automations. I love working with people. I love fixing their problems. I love the reaction they give me. I love the comments they give me that it helped me. It changed my life. I have comments that literally says that it changed their lives. So that makes me do these things, and that's every day if someone really love IT job, that's their everyday life. They get these comments. So this video was to just invite you to go to jobskillshare.com and look at the comments first. Look at the reviews by other people. They're just like you. Like I said, that the scenario, the situation that you're in right now, there's so many people on this site that are in your situation, and they are actually one step ahead now. So if you're starting right now, my suggestion to you, do not give up. Go to the site first. Look at the things. Look at the real scenarios. Look at what we're showing you. We're exactly showing the real stuff here. How to configure networks. How to work with 300 computers, how to deploy software, how to do things easy way, how to become an IT professional. Then decide, is this really you want to do? Is this something you are going to go ahead and take classes in college? Is this something you're going to spend money on certifications? Is this something you're going to spend your time on? You will find that out in first 2 hours when you see the real world example in this site. Every single thing, every single course is free on this site. Our goal is to reach out many people right now. At this point, they're searching right now. They're on Google. They're eager basically to gain this information and to know, to ask somebody, please, show me how to start IT. Because my experience that I have, so many people that give up in the beginning, the first few days, they will give up because they get overwhelmed. They get overwhelmed by the information out there. They get overwhelmed by so much different, so many different courses, so many different ways to do this thing. But there's not a single place that can put everything together and say, you know what, this is your path. You start from here, and this is what you get. At the bottom, this is the conclusion. If you want to be an IT person, you take this course, you take a help desk course here, you finish everything. At the end, when you finish, you apply for the job. Yes. Someone asked me, is it really going to work if I finish your course? Do I really get a job? I mean, it's your luck, but I tell them, go ahead and read the comments, and some people did get a job. I have a very good example. Someone came from Pakistan to Dubai. They did exactly what we told them in videos and learned the same skills, and the guy got network engineering job. In the comments, and it's still on the review section. So these are the comments that gives me confidence to work with other people, so I can bring best content for you guys. And this is something that for you guys too, if you're looking for an IT job right now, to save your time actually and start somewhere, and that where you have A to Z path in there. So this is why I made this video for you guys. I usually don't make videos like on the camera like this. I usually sit behind the screen and make all the videos. But right after this video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into the site, how to start help desk course, and also we're going to go through help desk, basically a small guide that I do every year. So for 2015, it's going to be included with this video. The first, I'm going to talk about the guide, and then the second, I'm going to take you guys to the course and start everything. So from this video, if it's 30 minutes long, watch it all together, and I'm sure after this video, I hope you will send me a comment and say, if you were looking for an IT career, you will say that this information really helped you. Trust me, you will. Thank you very much for watching this video, and check out right after this video, I'm going to do a screen recording. So see you guys. Bye.
Alright everyone, welcome to jobskillshare.com. In the last video I was talking to you guys right in front of the camera, but now it's time that I show you guys the reality and how to actually get started. So the first thing you need to do is go to jobskillshare.com or jobskillshare.org. It will land you to this page right here, pretty nice page, where you have two buttons right here which says register for free, and one is login. But if you scroll down, you can read a little bit more, career training, some other things, our features that what we offer. So I'll just go through quickly so you guys can have a little understanding of this platform. It's a full community, is free. All the courses are free from A to Z, so you can go to any course and finish everything. But if you want a certificate and complete the course and get a certificate out of it, you need to be a member, and it's a yearly $30 payment. With this $30, we try to run this system, run the servers, run for more. If we have more money, we pay for features, so it costs a little money, and that's how we make money to run this system. Now we do have other services which is more for companies. They want our services. If you go to About Us section, you will read a basic introduction about this platform, and also some of the courses that we think it's important to just show that what is it, how many lectures are there, how many hours of content is there, how many community members are enrolled in this course, and then we have a team members, and then on the bottom we have some reviews and testimonials that you guys can read about. But the main thing is to register for this site, and the first thing you need to do is to click on register for free. So what you will do, you will finish this form and put your right email address, and once you put all that information and read the terms and condition, then you basically click on OK, register, and you get this email right here, welcome to jobskillshare.com. It will say your student name, student test, and some information is right here. So read that information, and what I'm going to do is I am going to log in as student test right now. So the way to log in is go to home page here, and what you do is go to student test. I am going to type that, and once you log into the system, this is what you get. So you're logged in. The first screen you will see this front page, and on the bottom you will see the most popular courses. But even before you start the course, remember I talked to you about the success stories that you guys can relate yourself to it. So if you're new and you want to know how many other people are joining this platform and what type of people are there, you can easily click on new members introduction. In the new members introduction, you will basically come down and click on welcome new members. So here there's a lot of people coming from different backgrounds. Some are programmers, some are already in IT, some are looking to become an IT professional, some have customer service background. So many people with different background, and that's gonna give you confidence that you're not alone. There's so many other people doing the same thing right now. The other way is to find out by new members, site reviews and comments, and there you will see in detailed blogs. So there's a lot of detailed blog. People are coming from a different background, same thing. You will read about this, and also on the bottom, if you go all the way down, there's a comments section where people have success stories. Some people already got jobs because of jobskillshare.com. They have finished the whole thing and then actually got a job, which is very impressive. I mean, this is why this whole platform is doing so good, that we're getting positive results, and this is why we are making more and more courses, real world courses, so that we can keep up with demands for our learners. So that's a part where you get the confidence, like, you want to start something, so you just need that little push. But if you are going to start your IT career, then we tell people to start from the help desk entry level to specialist course. This course is a big course. Now you might not finish this in few days. It might take you a month to finish this whole thing, but it has every single thing that you need. So that's why we're not going to external links, because all that stuff is inside this course. We have our videos, and we talk to other professionals. Can we use their videos? Yes, they give us permission, and we use their videos directly here. And also we have other professionals helping out, so it's always updating. So this is why we're doing the 2015 video, so that this course is also getting updated all the time. And once you finish this course, basically you can apply for jobs. This course covers every single thing that if you go there right now online, and I'm gonna give you just a quick demo. When you go to online, let's say you go to indeed.com, and let's say you click on help desk support, and you want to get that job. You want to see what people are asking, because the trends, you have to follow the trends, what people are doing. Let's say a campus IT support specialist. Now this is a job available right now while I'm talking. Now this is a specialist job. Maybe it has a little bit more requirement, but we'll find out what exactly they're asking for. Okay, here, assist students and staff and faculty with IT related issues, meaning it's a basic issues, right? That's something we cover in our course. Like, what type of issues will you expect? What kind of real world examples? We basically give you guys exactly the same example that people are having issues. Access and troubleshoot hardware, software, anything that you see over here is going to be covered in that course. Maybe the terms might be a little different, but you can relate to it. And when you finish that whole course, this is why we tell people that if you finish the whole course and then you come back to this site and you see something like this, like desktop support technician, and you look at the things and then you already did that in that course, why not give it a try? So we did that approach for some students and they actually had a success. It's not that, oh yeah, they just finished the course and they got the job. They actually tried harder to kind of impress their HR managers or anyone that were hiring them, that they are willing to study. And this is one example that we guys can show you that, look, I went through this course, I know this stuff now, I put my hands on it, I have done projects, and people actually and this is what people look for in IT, that they're looking for people who want to learn, because they're already professional working in the field. They sometimes really like to teach other people, and some people are good at it, and some people want people to learn. So this is how it is in IT now. Maybe the competition is getting a little bit harder because now there's a lot of people in IT, like so many friends of mine, most of them are in IT right now, so the competition is getting harder. Maybe the requirements are getting a little bit higher now, but it's still a good time to get in now. And having something like this in your arsenal, that you can just come and look and take the whole course and grab the whole skills from somebody who is in IT for 10 years. Some other people are 5 years and they're sharing their skills right here. You grab that information and you have all that skills in few months. This type of skills takes a lot of time for someone to learn, because sometimes they are not searching too much, or maybe they're just learning it hands-on. So this is what we are doing right here. We're sharing our hands-on experience. We're giving it to you, so then you guys can focus on some other things, and then you guys can come back to the community again and also help our community here for new learners. So this is what I was talking about. Hopefully you guys, after this, there's no confusion. You will come back here, register yourself, take that course. It has every single thing, even the guide that I was talking about, the full guide. I have everything inside that course. I mean, you might be bored at this time, but if you have more time, I'm gonna go ahead in this video and show the help desk entry-level course, how to get in. So basically you will click on go to course. You will see a subscribe button right there, so you click on subscribe so that you're inside the course. You can see there's 4 learners actively learning right now, and then you can click on this video to find out a little bit more about this course, but I'm gonna just do a quick tutorial here. So you go to learning path and then you click on help desk support specialist. So you see this, the whole course just started. Make sure you have updated Flash on your machine. Most of my courses are towards Windows desktops, but I'm also adding Linux courses too right now. So hopefully we'll have Linux course ready by mid of 2015. But we have fully ready desktop support for Windows, and also for a little bit of Linux we have it ready, so you guys can start on it. As you can see on the left side, you have all-in-one scenario, you have real-world scenarios right here, where we show exactly what happened at work. This is the real-world scenario and how did we solve it, and what type of education do you need, what type of skills do you need. We'll give you that information and you'll come back and learn it, and then you're doing the same thing as I do. You will have the same experience as I do right now. And on the left side you can see we have covered every single thing about skills, troubleshootings, about virtualization, IT documentation, Outlook, and all that good stuff that you do need to know about help desk is covered right here in from basic to detail, from basic to advanced. So if you're new to IT, it's a great place for you to start. If you are actually a person who wants to advance your skills a little bit more and want to know where to go from here, then also this is a great platform, because we're not only covering help desk course, we basically teach you from what's after help desk. so you want to become a Windows network engineer, then we are also on those courses. We haven't finished it yet, but hopefully we'll finish those courses soon. And if you go scroll down, you can see Windows System Administrator course, and there's so many other courses. If you go to course catalog, we are working on some very advanced level skills courses, and hopefully they will be ready soon too. But at this point, the target is people who are confused right now, who want to start an IT career, and they are asking this question from someone right now: hey, where do I start IT career? I want to know, I want to get the information, and also if there is a free course that I can take it, and also take like a good free course where I can just finish it off from there and apply for a job. This is where it is. This is where you start. Everything for free. You register, you start the course, you finish it, you take your resume up, boost your resume by putting something like you finished the help desk course, you got the certification. If you want to get the certificate, that's where I talked about the whole certification part. Boost it up, then go ahead and look on Indeed.com. Look for the whatever requirement they're asking, and go ahead and apply. Give it a try. Tell us what's gonna happen. The worst you're gonna happen is you're gonna go to interview and you're not gonna get it. But I will guarantee you, if you go to many interviews, 2, 3, 4, 5, your confidence level will go so up that you will know exactly to come back and what to specifically search in this course. Then you to read that, you come back and read something, get another course like Active Directory User Management. By the time you do all this, you're going to be already an IT professional. Trust me, you're going to become an IT person by just doing this stuff. It's a matter of time that you get a call from someone who will pick your ability, that this guy is eager to get the job. And most of the people got the jobs like that. Some people went to college, some people didn't went to college. Some people are like me, who just got an internship and started IT, and from there on I'm on my own and I'm just doing IT. There are other people, whatever way you guys can start IT, but at the end, if you're new to IT, you're always looking for information, and that's where the problems start. Like, either you will give up, either you will come back and say, you know what, this is your place, you're gonna come back here and explore from here, and in few months you will be that professional that be teaching other people and hopefully making your own courses on this platform. So thank you for watching this. Hopefully we'll do this together, and I'll see you guys in a different video. So bye bye and take care.